the edge of my mind, hanging by a thread in lifeline, just when you would ask for closure.
Y'all, welcome back. So I'm gonna keep this intro very simple. I did this 420 inspired look. If you want to check it out, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Guys, so this starting off, I already did my brows off of camera. I am going to be doing a brow tutorial. If you guys want that, go ahead and comment down below in the comment section. So right now I'm just going to be showing you guys these palettes from Cara Beauty. This is their High Times collection, y'all, and I got all 3 of them, okay? And I really like the pigments in these palettes, so I can't wait to dig more into this palette. Outside of this look, I will be digging up in these palettes, okay? Because you can do some neutral looks, especially like with this orange one. You can really do some neutral pretty looks, everyday type of looks. So right now I'm just going into that green one, which is the Girl Scout, and I'm taking this color called Dub, and I'm just going to be putting it all into the crease area. Yeah, you guys, these palettes are really nice, pigmented and everything like that. So this is what it's looking like when I put it all into my crease area. I'm going back into that same palette, and I'm taking that green shade, which is called Weed. And y'all, these do have like crazy names, like, you know, cannabis smokers type of names like that in these palettes. So yeah, I'm taking this yellow shade called Cannabis, and I'm also taking the Ganja shade. It's like the 2 yellow shades out of that palette, and I'm just going to be mixing those to blend out that green. And then I will be cutting my crease with this concealer. This is the Halo concealer from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just going to be doing like a dramatic cut to my wing area, you know, like the where I draw my wing, and like, you know, where my creases is. It's gonna be very dramatic and, you know, very out there, okay? So I do hope all of my subscribers that are watching this, or all my viewers, are doing well and doing very great, you know what I'm saying, and staying out the way, staying safe and all of that good stuff. And yeah, this is pretty much what it's looking like, you guys. I'm going in with that second palette, which is the Orange Pop palette, and I will be taking this shade called Low Eyes. I use this shade before I use the shimmer shade, which is in the shade Dime, and I will be showing you guys that. It's like right next to the shade that I previously put on. And yeah, it's right here, and I'm just going to be putting it right on top of that orange shade that I was using. And it was very pigmented by itself, so, you know, I just wasn't sure, so I just went ahead and put that orange and then put that shimmer on top of that orange, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is pretty much what it's looking like. I went ahead and cut it again with that concealer, with the same concealer, and then I will be popping this purple shade. It's like a purplish pink shimmer shade, and it's called Bong, R.I.P. And yeah, I'm just going to be putting that, and it's from that purple Haze palette. I'm taking this pink Cloud 9 shade, and I'm going to be putting that right next to that shimmer shade that I first put on. And then I'm just going to be blending it out with Match Up and Lighter at the end. So yeah, you guys, this eye look was like pretty simple, but I just wanted it. It's not simple, I ain't gonna tell y'all that it ain't simple, but it's like a lot of cut crease, and I just really wanted to be very extra. So yeah, y'all, it was just a lot of cut crease and a lot of colors. I just really wanted to be very colorful with these palettes and all that good stuff. I pretty much just wanted to use every palette, okay? So yeah, you guys, I just went ahead and went in with my Tequila Cosmetics glitter. I will leave my code down below for you guys who are interested. As you can tell, I use a lot of her pigments and glitters, okay, just by looking at the bag. So I'm going in with Wine Fine. It's like a purple chunky pinkish gold glitter, and I'm just going to be putting it on top of the pink area because I just wanted that pink to like pop even more, okay? So yeah, I'm just going to be applying that right on top of there, you guys. And then I will be going ahead and drawing my liner using the Wet n Wild Black Liquid Liner, and going back into that Girl Scout and doing my lower lash lines with the same colors that I began with, okay? So yeah, which is that blue, green, and yellow out of the Girl Scout palette. So this is pretty much that. I added some of these leaf glitter type things from Tequila Cosmetics as well, like little freckles. And I'm also going in with these lashes called Hype Me Up. So y'all, this is pretty much the, you know, this pretty much the look, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like these type of videos and you want more. And yeah, join the team, join the squad, do all of that. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. With these lashes from Lash Talk and applying those, y'all. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it on this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it.